Is TikTok not showing your likes correctly on your iPhone? This can happen because of server issues or app glitches. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through the steps to fix it. Let's dive in and get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Turn off private account. Open up the TikTok app and tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy from the below. Then tap on Privacy. Now make sure to disable the private account. By disabling the private account, your account will switch to public. Now everybody can see your likes. Solution 2. Check down Detector. First, open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box and type down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link, then tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Then scroll down. Here you can see that officially TikTok app is down or not. If not, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Offload TikTok app. Open up the settings again, then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload, and again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 4. Submit a request. Open up the Safari browser, then type and search TikTok feedback. Next, tap on the first link called Report a Problem. Then tap on the topic drop-down menu. Select Report a Bug/Feature Request. After that, tap on the category drop-down menu. Select Feature Suggestions. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, Dear TikTok team, I'm unable to see my likes. Likes are not showing properly. Please help me to solve this problem. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. After that, TikTok support will review your account and respond to you within 48 hours. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye for now.